So hello and welcome everyone. Today we are going to make some optical illusions, some 28 of them, at least if this number hasn't changed until the end. There will be cut in this video because it's the first time I'm doing that kind of concept, but if there are changes I will explain it in the video with a voiceover. Let's hope I can do them all. So, first of all, we have the Blivet. So, the Blivet, you may know what is it by just looking at the picture, or maybe you know because of school. But this optical illusion is really famous. You think that by fixing this part you have 4 tables, leg, I would say, but in reality there are 3, and you see that even the 2 connected to the table are completely faked too. Now, you may think that it's impossible to reproduce it in 3D, and it's the case. You can't reproduce that in 3D. You have to play on the 2D aspects of it, because you see that this part is technically larger than this one, but in 2D, see that both are equal. That's why this cylinder, which is the leg of the table, fits there where it shouldn't. So, like for this picture, we will cheat, but I will show you how we can do it in Blender. So, remove that. Before all, we will adjust some parameters. Not that I'm afraid of losing some performance, but we don't need that. It's okay. Okay, so, and by the way, I will explain every key. I mean, I will try to remember. Yeah, I forgot quickly to explain you what to do. So there, take, drag, release. You have it. Now take the mouse, I should say, press, drag to the bottom, up. You have 3 parameters selected. Press 0, and now you have the image on the center of the view. Now we will put 10 on the x-axis so that it's far away. Now you can click there, -X to go in front view, or you can just press 1. So what we are going to do is just, this one will be really simple. We are going to, let me think, as I said, it's the first time I'm doing this, but anyway, it will be cut, needed. So, so G to move it, if you didn't know, right click to undo it, undo this change. Yeah, no, we can't really do it even in 3D. I'm forced to proceed like so. So tab to go in edit mode, Z, wireframe. Now click there, G, move. Let's click, G, move, click, click. Think you know, understand. Oh yes, sorry, I didn't explain. Now select those ones. You can even drag with the left click to select them. E, you move your mouse, go until there. Now you will press G, make it slide, GG to make it slide again. Amazing. So E, left click, release, click, G, drag, left click again, GG to make it follow the edges. Sorry, you can even go on these edges, but we just want that one. So we don't need to follow exactly this model. I mean, at 100% accuracy, we can just Okay, I think so. Shift A, circle, and we want it to the view. F, sorry, F. No, the circle is filled. You can go in this mode to see it, or I can just press Z and solid mode. I want to squish it, so S, and now I will press S, X, only on the S, on the X, sorry, axis, rotate it with R, left click, confirm, now we will take those 2 points, okay. Select both of them, you click, press shift and click again so that you can select 2, because if you select like so, you can only select once at a time. So this one, the other is there, extrude with E again. Think so select those 4, F, E to make solid. Now I want select this one, this one, so basically there. Take this, press Ctrl and select one, it will automatically select the path until that vertices. So now we're going to still press Ctrl, there, and F, fill it. Nice. Now I want to erase these edges, so X, and dissolve edges. Okay. Now we are going to select it, left click, Shift D, move it there. Okay. Select both with Shift again. There you click, up, F to fill. Now we take this one, there, E again, now you can also press C and Shift, left click down. Yeah, no, sorry, it was C and just C. Now you select F again, take those two ones. Take those two ones there too. Up there. Take those points. D. We'll scale that a bit with S. F to fill. X to dissolve this vertices. Okay, it did it. That one. Okay, Control S to save. Now go there, material, new, there, emission, choose that color for those tubes. No. I told you it would take some times. We want a gradient there, so okay. But those ones with Shift again to select both, plus materials, duplicate this one, assign. Now we're going there, shader editor, wave texture, with Shift A, then you press enter, oops, Shift A, wave texture, enter, color ramp, take this color, you grab it, put it there. No, we will. point 1. We will also those ones aren't the same anyway, so I don't really mind, but for this one, so I guess we can move this one a bit. There you go. That we are not bothered by that. I still see that. I still see a bit of white there, so drag that. There you go. Now we want the same for this plane, so up, select, sign, and for this one, except that this one, those both are different, so select this one, press that, select that, oops, up. Now what we are going to do is assign and saturations. I will desaturate this one too, but the other one will okay, we'll keep that like so. This one I can assign it to a new color again. Okay, so Shift A with mapping, rotate this, oops, I did it wrong. So, fix your coordinates, generate, mapping, and we can play with those values. Okay, so we'll start with 0, 0, 1. assign it, except that we won't need that one there. Okay, let's make this world white. Oops. That we see the difference. Okay, no, not for this one. Wait. Yeah, okay, so sign. Okay, material 001, assign. Now we want the opposite, we don't want white there, so for this one we want the same as this one. This is 002, so take 002. Not for this one, we want 001. Okay, so again. Okay, so and this one. Oof. You want one there. We take the color there. You want to take those information, Control C, get to this one, G, CTRL-V, delete, up, Sorry, I bugged. So material 002. Okay. There are a lot of materials I copied and I shouldn't have. It was unnecessary. Yeah, we got some too much, but anyway, we have it. Now what I could do is tab to go back in edit mode, press this icon there, overlay. What I could do is reduce a bit this effect, sorry. Because it's like there is a white beam there, which is not my purpose to make it that way, so. Yes, like so. And it works. Okay, I don't want this part to be that. Okay, anyway. Yeah, it's because it was delimited by a white, sorry, a black. So what we can do is go back there, Shift A to select all, Shift D, Y, move it on the Y axis, P, selection, Shift, Tab, sorry, click that, Tab, A to select all, E, Y to extrude, Z to go in wireframe, select all those faces, select of course this icon, X to delete faces, like that, delete faces, perfect. Now modifier, solidify, it's working, okay. Let's put a value of, I don't know, 2. Go there, click on the minus, materials, new material, and black, and it's giving us that, and we see better our illusion like that. Amazing. Okay, we also see the 2 there. I don't want that, so delete those faces, which are supposed to be the void. Tab should be fine now. Yes, it is, but I want the black to be in front of that, so G, Y. Yeah, maybe it's too much. So, drop there, move, drag with the mouse and press Shift to make it slightly. Anyway, we have our result right there, and yes, the illusions work. Of course, it's not perfect, we have some artifacts, but it doesn't really matter. Even thickness. View. Alors, no, we are going to view, render image. Wait. I know we can make it a bit better. By deleting those ones. Oops, sorry. Okay, they are not all displayed in the same way, so select all, Shift N to recalculate the normal outside. To that eight. Yups. For this part, yups, yups. No. Control Z if you made a mistake. Of course, it's not perfect, but it works. This one is a bit too thick. I don't care. Okay, so save, view, view render image, image, save as. Blivet Blender. JPEG, I don't care. Now we can save. Okay.